Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to ask you guys a question. Do we need, when you're traveling through the airports, do you need immigration and customs? Now, what I'm thinking is, and I want the feedback from you guys. Let me know what you think. Do we need to join a line to go to an immigration officer and then join another line to go to a customs officer? Can't we just join one line and at that officer, the officer inspects your immigration and inspects your customs documents? Do we really need two lines? Because one of the challenges, especially with the Sangster International Airport, is the length of time it takes you to go through the airport. And one of the reasons is because of this setup. Now, I'm not sure why they have it like this. I think in Florida, you go to one agent and they do deal with immigration and customs. So I'm not sure why they have it in Jamaica where you have two. Because let's look at it this way now. You have 10 immigration officers. You join the line, you go to the immigration officer, and then you have 10 customs officers, and then you have to go and join another line to the customs officer. If you had 20 agents that could just deal with everything one time, you'd move a lot faster. So guys, one, I'm not sure if legally it has to be done like that. I don't know. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. And then two, why do we have to have immigration separate from customs? And again, I have never seen or heard of anybody being turned away at the airport. Alright, let's say somebody arrives in Jamaica. I've never heard of anybody being turned away or denied entry. If 1 million people come in, how many you think they would deny entry? Because before you reach Jamaica, and these are people coming in illegally, before you reach Jamaica, you have to go through wherever you check in. They check your documents, they check the visa, they check the passport. I'm just thinking it would be easier and the things would move a lot quicker if we just had to deal with one person that does both immigration and customs. And I mean, with all the technology that exists today, facial recognition, do we even need? Well, maybe you do, but I'm just saying the technology is there that we could definitely set it up where you only have to go to one station basically, and things would move a lot quicker and you would go through the airports a lot faster. So guys, let me know what you think. And for those who live in other countries, what is it like when you're going through those airports, like Canada, other states in the US, England? What's the process like? Do you have two stations you have to go to? And what's the wait time like when you have to go through those airports? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video. We are on Highway 2000 east-west leg heading towards Mandeville. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.